Today is the day I've been waiting for almost 8 months in the making. We're going to pick it up, baby. Had to wear the Raptor Assault shirt. Let's go. We made it. We got it. We got the Raptor. Look at this thing. Unbelievable. I cannot believe it. I had to fly all the way to Omaha, Nebraska to get this thing, and I am so glad that I did. These guys here at Woodhouse, best purchasing I've ever experienced. Look at this. I asked them to leave everything as is. Floor mats are right here, still wrapped up in the bag. The seats are still in the bag. Look at this screen. Screen still has everything on it. I mean, this is unbelievable. So I wanted to bring you guys along to check this out. So glad with the spec, the color. Let's check out this seats. Look at that. Unbelievable. I can't believe it. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. As you guys can see, 12 miles on it, full tank of gas, ready to roll. I'm gonna do a ton of content on this. I got about a 600-mile drive home, so we're gonna check out my initial thoughts. I barely even driven this thing, so we're gonna get the initial impressions of driving it. They didn't put the front license plate on, thank goodness. Let's take this off too. There it is. Boom. Unreal. Unreal. Got all the paperwork done right there. Floor mats. Look at these seats. This is unbelievable. Ford performance, baby. What I didn't know is that there's a suede here. It's not Alcantara. It's similar. It's more plasticky than Alcantara, but it is nice touch, nice feel. All right, Got a long drive ahead of us. Let's get it. In the beginning of the video, I came here to Omaha, Nebraska, because Woodhouse is one of the best dealers that I've ever worked with. Michael right here was my salesman. We got Theo over here. I'm gonna put all their information down below and I'm gonna plug it into the video right here. So if you guys need anything, reach out to them.